If you've been seeing ads for the Pegasus Digital Income System and wondering if it's really the shortcut to financial freedom it claims to be, you're not alone. This so-called autopilot money system from getpegasusofficial.com has been making big promises about earning thousands of dollars per day in just 5 minutes with nothing more than your phone. The flashy ads showcase fake dashboards, exaggerated bank balances, and even AI-generated testimonials designed to pull you in with the idea of a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. On the surface, it sounds like a dream come true. But when you look deeper, the red flags start piling up quickly. Their income claims of over $180K in 6 months simply don't hold up under scrutiny, especially since there's no proof of real users achieving these results. The long sales video is packed with psychological tricks, AI voiceovers, and vague promises without ever actually revealing what the so-called secret system is. Reports from people who signed up reveal that what you really get are outdated affiliate marketing tutorials that have been floating around the internet for years, plus constant surprise upsells that push you to spend more money instead of actually helping you succeed. Even worse, the site offers no genuine refund process, which leaves customers stuck after spending $47 on what feels like the same recycled scam playbook we've seen before. The domain itself is brand new. The owners are hiding their identities, and watchdog communities on Reddit are already calling Pegasus out as just another rebranded version of older scams like the dumb money system and Wi-Fi loophole. While Pegasus Digital Income System is packaged to look sleek and modern, the reality is far from the financial miracle it advertises, and anyone considering it should be cautious before handing over their money.